Hi children, today we shall be starting with a new poem, that is The Tree. Students, we all know trees are most important, and it's only because of tree that we breathe a healthy air. If there are no trees, then we won't be able to breathe at all, isn't it? Because we inhale oxygen and we exhale carbon dioxide, and plants, they inhale carbon dioxide and exhale oxygen. Students, children, on the page number 28, they have prescribed a poem, Tree. Next to the track, beside our house, Dad planted a gulmohar. We tended it, we watered it. It wanted more and more. And second stanza I have written on the board. Let me read it. When first it's little, Little, it's little shoots, shoots, shoots of green, green. When first its little shoots of green spread across the boughs. See here, boughs. Boughs is nothing but branches. We read it, we don't read as boughs, we don't read as boughs. It's boughs. 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 When first its little shoots of green spread across the boughs, and some of us said, wow! See here children, this is an exclamation mark. Exclamation mark is something that is excitement. So, you have to read it as an excitement only. Wow! See, and some of us said, wow! Its branches were so low, we drove the goats away and cows. See, its branches, branches, its branches were so low, we drove the goats away and cows. COWS, cows, GOATS, goats. It really kept us on our, see here, TOES is not toes, it's toes. It's toes. It really kept us on our toes. A baby tree needs care. Again here an apostrophe, you have to read it as excitement or something that makes us feel elated. Care. Next here, the green fuzz. F-U-Z-Z is not fuzz, it's fuzz. The green fuzz changed to leaf. L-E-A-F is leaf. It turned into, see, T-U-R-N-E-D, it is not turned. We don't read it as turned, it's turned. It's turned. Bolo? Turned. It turned into a red-roofed tree, a thing of beauty rare. A thing of beauty rare. It never spoke to us. It never spoke to us. Of course, it, see you, written there. Yes, now it's clear. It never spoke to us, of course. It just spoke to the wind. It just spoke to the wind. See, W-I-N-D is not wind. Here it is wind. It just spoke to the wind. And now and then waved to the skies. W-A-V-E-D is waved. It is waved to the skies, but it gave us everything. It gives us everything. And the last stanza I have not written on the board. It is, it's falling flowers and its shade. S-H-A-D-E is shade. They covered half the track. HALF. Again here, L is silent. L is silent, children. We don't say half. Half nahi bolte ise. इसे half बोलती. HALF, half. L is silent here. Its falling flowers and its shade, they covered half the track. It sheltered us from sun and rain. The tree had pages back. It has written by KKN Daruwala. It has been written by KKN. It has written by KKN Daruwala. Okay? So this is a small poem. In the next class we shall start about the explanation. Make sure that you go through the poem, read the poem and send me the audio or video of it. Okay? If you have any doubt, feel free to contact me through WhatsApp, but don't copy this in your notebook. Don't write it. Okay? Till that one, stay home, stay blessed. Bye-bye.